Hey there, little adventurers! Today, I have an exciting story for you. It's all about a curious little monkey named Momo, who lives deep in the heart of a magical jungle. Ready to join Momo on a thrilling journey? Let's go! One sunny morning, Momo woke up with a spark of excitement in his eyes. "Today is the day!" he exclaimed. "I'm going to explore the great mango tree." You see, the great mango tree was no ordinary tree. It was the tallest tree in the whole jungle, and it was said to have the juiciest, sweetest mangoes ever. Momo packed his tiny backpack with some bananas, a water bottle, and his favorite red cap. Off he went, swinging from vine to vine, with the jungle buzzing with life around him. Birds chirped, butterflies fluttered, and the wind whispered secrets through the leaves. As Momo ventured deeper into the jungle, he met his friend Tika the parrot. "Hey, Momo, where are you heading?" Tika squawked. "To the great mango tree!" Momo replied excitedly. "Ooh, can I come along?" asked Tika. "Of course," said Momo, and together they continued their adventure. But the journey wasn't easy. They had to cross a wobbly rope bridge over a bubbling river. "Hold on tight, Tika!" Momo called out. They tiptoed carefully, and with a little teamwork, they made it across safely. Phew, that was close! Next, they encountered a playful family of monkeys who were having a fun game of catch. Momo and Tika joined in for a quick break. Laughter filled the air as they tossed a coconut back and forth. After a few rounds, they said goodbye and continued on their way. Finally, after a long trek, they reached the great mango tree. It was even more magnificent than Momo had imagined. The branches were heavy with luscious golden mangoes. Momo and Tika climbed up and picked the biggest, ripest ones they could find. They sat together on a branch, munching on the delicious fruit, feeling proud of their adventure. As the sun began to set, Momo and Tika headed back home, their hearts full of joy and their bellies full of mangoes. They knew that this was just the beginning of many more exciting adventures in the jungle. And with a big smile, Momo whispered, "Until next time, great mango tree." So, little adventurers, always remember to be curious, brave, and enjoy every moment of your own jungle journeys. See you next time. Bye-bye.